Welcome to the Build My Garden app. Get started by searching for and installing the app in Facebook. Now launch the app and click on New Garden on the start screen. Give your garden a name and a type, and enter the dimensions of your garden. Okay, now I want to plan out my garden. Let's add some items to the garden. First, I'll add a raised bed. And a second. Next, I'll add some trees. I want to add a cherry tree and 2 silver birches. Finally, I want to add a rose bush. In fact, I'll add 2 of these. Okay, I'm happy enough with the items, but I want to move them around a bit now. So I'm going to move my rose bushes over to the left here. And then I'm going to change the scales of the cherry, and I'm going to make one of the silver birches slightly bigger. Okay, I'm happy enough with that. Now that I've added the trees, the bushes, and the 2 raised beds, I want to record the work that I've been doing in the garden. So I do that by selecting the Select tool and clicking on the raised bed here. I want to tell Build My Garden that I planted some carrots and kale in the raised bed yesterday. So I do that by clicking on the Record a Task button, selecting Plant, Vegetables, and then selecting carrots and kale here. Finally, I want to tell Build My Garden that I planted these yesterday and not today. That should do it. Okay, finally I want to tell my friends on Facebook what I've been doing. So I click on the Facebook icon and create a new post. And once I click Post to Facebook, it'll share that information with all my friends on Facebook.